Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create linked incorporate ad design using custom shapes. Start with a professional color palette, navy, gray, white and add a thin rectangular banner at the top for heading. Now use circles to highlight corporate statistic. Insert a diagonal rectangle for modern flair. Use linear shapes to keep everything structured. Mask your corporate photos inside rounded rectangles. Add a polished CTA button with a rectangular shape. Use soft shadows for depth. Apply subtle gradient inside shapes. Keep typography formal and readable. Balance composition professionally. Use small icons created from the simple shapes.